Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your cash tag on Cash App. First, open Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Personal to access your account information. Here, you'll see your current cash tag. Tap on your cash tag and you'll get the option to change it. Enter your new cash tag and make sure it's something unique and easy for others to find you. Cash App will ask you to confirm. Remember, you can only change your cash tag 2 more times, so choose carefully. Once you tap confirm, your cash tag will be updated immediately. And that's it. That's how you change your cash tag on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.